Time for lunch. All right, well, we got ourselves a set of stairs. She's all bolted in. Tenons are all wedged. The only thing I have left to do is cut off all these tenons at 3/4 of an inch proud and then onto the handrails. For those of you guys who are like, I want to know exactly how you did this, well, I'm glad you asked. I happen to be launching an online school of woodworking in a couple of weeks. Samurai School of Woodworking at samuraiskills.com. I have done a full tutorial series on how to make all the templates, how to cut all the joinery, how to stain the wood, how to install it, all the details for slope and rise and run and layout, everything you can think of on this staircase, as well as all sorts of other projects that are going to be uploaded on that school. So be sure to check that out. So for those of you who want a closer look and stay updated on what's going on in the samurai world, check me out on Instagram at Samurai Carpenter. Okay, thank you so much for watching this. Please give this video a like. Let me know what you think of these stairs. Do you even like them? Comment down below, okay? See you in the next video. Samurai out.